Using Google effectively. First, let's create an account. Go to Google Gmail and sign in with your true first and last name and put in a desired login name. Please check availability of this login name before you continue, or you will have to do this part of the process over again. Once you've checked availability and you mark one that you're willing to deal with, choose a password that's 8 characters in length or longer. If you're in my class, your rescue question must be your first phone number, and it must have the school phone number so that I can get you out of your problem with your account. So now you have an account. Let's open up Gmail and get started. So put in your username. You don't have to put @gmail.com. Put in your password and sign in. From here it'll load your Gmail, but let's go and check out the calendar first. You can do day, week, or month, and you can enter new events into this calendar like you see this one here that's highlighted in blue. You can create more than one calendar. To do this, you click on My Calendars and Create. Here's how you put in an event. Type the event in and then click Enter, and it will post it right there on your calendar. To do a multiple day event, put it in and then click on Edit Event Details. Once you've selected the calendar and you've clicked on Edit, you now can put the number of days it's for. You can put in the time. You can put in when it ends. If it repeats every week, you can put that in as well. Here I'm going to put an end date on a certain date and click that date on the calendar. Now that I'm done, I'm going to click on a color so it really pops out and I can remember it on my calendar. I've clicked Save, and there it is in yellow on my screen. So, what else? Let's go to Documents. This is Google Documents. Under Create New, you can do a document, presentation, spreadsheet, form, and others. Under Form, you can do forms and surveys. You just add in the title you would like to, and for me, this is how I create my 5-a-day reviews. You go to the question and type in whichever question you would like, and then select a question type. There's more than one to choose from. When you're putting in your answers, put in the answer you would like and click Enter to get another answer box window open. And remember to click on the correct answer. I like to make all of my work required questions. Then you click Done. There's 2 sample questions here for you. So let's go ahead and put the second one in to show you it again. Here's a question. Click on Question Type. Put in the answer if applicable. Mark the correct answer. And make sure it's required if you want it to be in Done. So, up here at the top, we have a couple of things. This one is how to change the theme. So each day, I have a different theme. You click on the theme, and it's going to show up with several windows of options. There are pages and pages of options. We'll just click this one and click Apply. Now I would like to add a few more questions. You can see from here I can select the question type, write an Add Question. If I don't want it, I can click on the trash can. Once I'm ready to go, I look at these buttons over here. We can embed or edit. We can see the responses if someone has already filled in our form or survey, and we can email this form. I'd like to embed it into my website. So I click on Embed, and I'm going to do a Command C or Control C, depending upon your computer, and then I'm going to go to my website. I like to use Weebly. Here on Weebly, I'm going to click Edit, and then I'm going to go to the correct tab, which in this case is 5-a-day. Once there, I'm going to go to Custom HTML and drag that into place. Then I'm going to click on the letters there, do a Command V for paste, and click somewhere on the side of the screen to make sure it downloads. Don't forget to click on Publish. there's more to do on Google Docs. So create new and let's go to spreadsheet. Google Documents are great because multiple people can work on the same project. Here I'm going to create some headings, and then I would hand this over to the students to work in groups, and that way I can look up the information of their project. Here I've typed in the information I need them to submit to me. I'm going to click on Unsaved Spreadsheet and put in a title, and then I will click OK. This information has already been saved. See, saved seconds ago. To share it, I click on the share arrow, click on share, and now I can type in the box whichever Gmail I would like to use. So I type Shannon and it comes up, and she can either edit or view. I pick which one she can do, and then I can decide whether to email it to her or not, and press share and save. And there she is in that window, and I can add other students. Students can create their own, and they can send it to each other for sharing. So there they are, posted right there on my home page of my Google Docs. So they can create projects like this. Okay, there's more. Click on Create New, and let's go to Presentation. It's a limited presentation program, but it can be accessed from anywhere in the world. So how will you use it? You can do text, image, drawing, video, tables, charts. You can insert things from your computer, or you can insert from a URL. So they can create projects like this. And we're not done. Create New. Now we're going to go to Document, one of the most used features. What's great about this one is you can share it. So you have typed and you have saved it. And then you would share it with other people. And let me show you how you can see from each other's pages. So you can see that on this document, there's more than one person working on it. One person's highlighted in green and another in orange. Those are two other people typing on the same page I am at the same time. We're all working on our parts of the project, and we can see each other's work, and we can comment and add and create a project like this. Let's not forget iGoogle. You can have Wikipedia and many other things on iGoogle.